Using Hubspot for email marketing involves creating and executing targeted email campaigns to engage your audience. Here's a concise guide. Create lists. Segment your contact database in HubSpot CRM by creating lists based on criteria like demographics, behavior, or engagement. Design email templates. In the Marketing Hub, design visually appealing and responsive email templates using HubSpot's drag-and-drop editor. Personalize content. Tailor email content to specific audience segments for higher relevance and engagement. Use personalization tokens to insert recipients' names or other details. Compose email. Craft compelling subject lines and email copy that communicate value and encourage recipients to take action. Add visuals. Embed images, videos, and relevant CTAs to enhance the email's visual appeal and guide recipients towards your desired action. Set automation. Utilize workflows to automate email sending based on triggers like sign-ups, clicks, or specific dates. A/B testing. Run A/B tests on subject lines, content, or sending times to optimize campaign performance. Optimize for mobile. Ensure emails are mobile responsive, as a significant portion of recipients open emails on mobile devices. Preview and test. Use HubSpot's preview feature to see how emails will appear in different email clients. Send test emails to yourself to check formatting and functionality. Schedule sending. Choose the optimal time and day for sending emails to maximize open rates. Monitor analytics. Track email metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Use these insights to refine future campaigns. Automated follow-ups. Set up automated follow-up emails for specific actions like abandoned carts or download links. Compliance and unsubscribers. Ensure compliance with email regulations and provide an easy way for recipients to unsubscribe. Segmentation for follow-up. Based on recipient interactions, segment context for targeted follow-up emails. Analyze and iterate. Regularly review campaign performance and adjust strategies based on analytics to improve results.